All right, let's make a cocktail together. My little spice table because I really don't have very much countertop space in the house. So we're just going to use this as our cute little table. So some stuff that you might want to grab, obviously. We're making a cocktail, okay? So you need some sort of alcohol. So today's choice is citron, lemon flavored vodka, Svedka. You don't need anything fancy. It's gonna do the trick. We're gonna use some of that. And we're gonna use some cherry limeade from this Sonic drink pack. Zero sugar drink mix. So it's a little health friendly. I don't know. I'm really bad or really good with sugar. I'm a sugar addict. If I can try and do like the zero sugar option, I'm gonna try and do it. It's not always my favorite, but it works. I think these are pretty good. I like the cherry limeade one, like a little tart. So we're gonna put in some ice cubes into our shaker. Just a couple, you don't need many. I am a bartender, like I've said in some videos, but if you don't know, I am a bartender. But at home, I like to bartend for myself. So there's really no counting involved. I'm making it for myself or for my boyfriend, and he'll drink whatever. So we're just gonna eyeball it. I want like a shot and a half in there, because why not? I think I'm gonna put some water in here. Okay, so I put a little bit of water in here. Now I'm just going to put in this pack, and I'm gonna try and put it like directly in the water so it doesn't just coat the outside of the shaker here. Did pretty good. I don't know why I put the whole damn thing in there. It's gonna be super flavorful. Oh well, we'll go with it. We'll see how it tastes. I can always get a bigger glass and just like dilute it a little bit more. We're gonna take fill up your glass. Some ice. Pour that bitch in there. Oh gosh, it's gonna be so... Yeah, I'm gonna have to put some water in it. Because I already can tell this is not gonna be it. I do like the foam though. How pretty. Oh, it looks pretty though. Look at it. Okay, let's taste it just to see how good or bad it is. Doesn't taste bad, but I'm gonna put some water. Actually, might have some sugar-free Sprite that I might put in there too. Ah! Let's see what I got. I do have some zero sugar. Ooh. Wow, that had a lot of bubble. Okay, I think I'm gonna top it off with that. Fill her up. Yep, more. It's the key. Leave them out of the fridge and like suck all the air out, and I swear it really does help. I don't know if that is like a common thing that people know about, but let's see. Cheers. Much better. Yum. So good. Try it. Try it. I think these packs are really good. I also like to use the citron with I love grape. Pure aqua grape, 0 calorie. I think it's from Walmart or Kroger or something like that. And I just put like a little dash of that in there with the citron and just water. And it's like freaking grape juice. It tastes so good. So try that too. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. If you want me to make more cocktails, I can do that. Yeah. Cheers, guys. Have a good one. Peace out. Love ya.